He thought he was loving her, until he realized he was only afraid of losing her. Understanding the difference between love and attachment. When they first met, their attraction was undeniable. They talked for hours, laughed at everything, and felt as though they had finally found the person they had been waiting for. He wanted to be with her every moment, and she loved the attention. They believed their intense feelings were proof that their relationship would last forever. But slowly things began to change. He became afraid of losing her. He wanted constant messages, immediate replies, and reassurance whenever she needed space. He called it love, but deep inside it was attachment. Small misunderstandings became arguments. Jealousy replaced peace. Broken promises weakened her trust. Whenever she tried to express her feelings, he became defensive instead of listening. One evening, after another painful argument, she sat quietly with tears in her eyes. "I know you love me," she whispered, "but sometimes your love feels like fear. You don't want to understand me. You just don't want to lose me." Her words stayed in his mind. At night he realized something painful. He wasn't only afraid of losing her, he was afraid of being alone. He finally understood the difference between love and attachment. Attachment says, "Stay because I need you." Love says, "Stay because you are happy and respected here." Attachment wants control. Love gives freedom. Attachment fears distance. Love trusts even when distance is necessary. For the first time, he stopped chasing her and started changing himself. He learned to listen without interrupting. He respected her boundaries. He stopped demanding constant reassurance and began building trust through consistent actions. Their relationship slowly became healthier, not because their attraction became stronger, but because their understanding became deeper. He finally learned that loving someone doesn't mean possessing their time, attention, or heart. True love means respecting their individuality, trusting their choices, giving them emotional safety, and allowing them to remain themselves. Because sometimes we don't love someone, we simply fear losing them. And the greatest lesson is this: love brings peace, while attachment brings fear. Love trusts, respects, and gives freedom. When you truly love someone, you don't hold them tightly because you're afraid they'll leave. You hold their heart gently because you want them to feel safe enough to stay.